everyone. My name is Vincent Trevani. I'm the co-founder and head of sales and business development at Orckestra. We've seen throughout the years definitely some issues and challenges that retailers and brands are having with rising customer expectations and also the rise of online and omnichannel competition. And this is what drove us primarily to build a new generation of omnichannel commerce technology in order to help retailers and brands to unify their omnichannel operations and shopping experiences both online and in store. Whether it's with IGA, an online grocery and brick and mortar retailer that is driving double-digit growth by using our platform to drive omnichannel grocery sales, or with Bestseller, who's now using more our technology and driving more than 5% of their total retail sales with the Ship from Store program. Or even Black & Decker, Stanley Black & Decker, who's driving global brands for content on mobile and web using our technology and API-first commerce platform. We have a proven track record with enterprise brands and retailers that have seen the benefits of leveraging our technology. So, as we all know, retail used to be simpler. It used to be controlled by retailers with barely any channels you can buy from, and a focus on price and product used to be sufficient. Nowadays, retail is changing. The customer is driving the speed of execution at a different pace, and it's actually going faster than what retailers can keep up with. So we're seeing a customer-defined path to purchase, which is pretty complex. Expectations to buy from anywhere and fulfill anywhere their orders, which are creating new scenarios and new opportunities, but also challenges to execute. And finally, the focus on shopping experience is a lot more present now. So we believe that successful brands and retailers have to become digital-first organizations in order to be able to evolve at the speed of customer expectations. Managing this change is complicated. There's a lot of touch points, lots of interactions. And unfortunately, a lot of retailers and brands are stuck with an ecosystem of siloed enterprise systems and channels which don't talk to each other. So there's a lot of integration that's required. So what you're stuck with is a lack of agility. It's very hard to bring in new omnichannel processes, bring in new shopping experiences. And because of this, you essentially are losing agility, increasing your cost, and that means a lost opportunity. You're losing the opportunity to grow sales and also to differentiate from the competition. So there must be a different way of doing things, and that's exactly what we bring into market. We bring a new way to orchestrate your commerce processes from your shopping experiences all the way down to the omnichannel fulfillment. And this is because today, there are no single systems that actually manage the omnichannel processes, and this is what we bring into market. And this all starts with our commerce orchestration platform, which is essentially an API-first, cloud-based commerce technology, which becomes ultimately your omnichannel backbone. And then, with this, you can model your processes, unify and aggregate your data and key valuable information from your enterprise systems, and expose them via our API in order to power your shopping experiences or different touch points. The key thing to note here is that you don't need to rip and replace all of your systems to make this work. You can start with key use cases at the beginning, make them run, and then through time you can gradually evolve and replace some of your existing pains that you have. We provide rich and intuitive management applications that are built for the business user in mind to help you streamline your operations. And on top of this, we have a digital commerce experience management solution that is connected to the platform and allows you to easily create shopping experiences for your customers on the web, on mobile. One of the advantages that we have that the competition doesn't is that we are retail and brand centric, and we create content and commerce experiences that are focused on putting the product at center stage, because this is first and foremost what you're looking to put forward for your sites. Finally, we also enable brands and retailers to put their stores front and center and make them points of experience and points of fulfillment. We're looking to turn what is seen as liabilities in the market into even greater assets. So we provide a single solution for all your omni-channel fulfillment scenarios, whether it's shipping from store, buy online, pick up in store, store transfers, or even shipping to store from a warehouse or another point of fulfillment. We really tap into your whole inventory of network of inventory, and then we optimize the routing of your orders to the right locations in order to, based on your business logic, increase optimization, efficiencies, and reduce ultimately costs of fulfilling orders. And finally, we also enable and empower your store associates through our mobile application so that they can not only connect with omnichannel customers, but also effectively pick, pack, ship, or have their orders ready for a pickup for their customers. So ultimately, what we do is that we empower retailers and brands to be connected and go at the speed of their customers. So I'll leave you on that note, that a call to action would be to break down the silos that you have within your channels and systems within your organization and focus on bridging the gap between online and offline in order to answer and respond to your customer expectations. Thank you.